Hello, my name's Andy Rafael from etechnics.com and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at the Fractal Design Tesla 650 watt power supply. Taking a look at the front of the packaging, we can see that it's black in colour, and it does actually make the rest of the packaging stand out, especially with the bits of white and blue on the logo. So we can see it's the Fractal Design Tesla 650 watt power supply unit, and it does give a nice clear view of what the product will look like inside. In many different languages it tells us that it's a high efficiency 80+ certified silent, virtually inaudible 120mm fan. I'm always quite sort of weary when they say that it's silent, but it does say virtually inaudible, so I'm quite excited as to exactly what this will be like. And there's also the 80+ logo down in the bottom corner. And going around to the side of the box, we can see that it stems a little bit more onto the whole noise value of this power supply. We can see that it ranges all the way from 0 watts up to 650 and tells us exactly what the decibel rating will be. So looking at 650, it's around sort of 32 decibels, so not overly loud. Obviously your system won't be running at 650 watts all the time. And swinging the box around and taking a look at this side, we can see some of the main features, including 4 12-volt rails offering 20 amps each, active power factor correction which delivers clean and reliable power, overcurrent and voltage power protection, and many more features, including supporting ATX 12-volt 2.2 standard and older ATX 12-volt 2.01. Also tells us with a massive logo right here that it comes with a 5-year warranty, which is absolutely fantastic for a power supply, especially from a brand who's not the most well known on the market. Also tells us some of the attached cables that come included inside the box. And lastly, looking at the back of the packaging, once again we get a view of the product itself, which we can see has got a white fan and white connections. Looks very nice, and it gives us a little bit of information on the Tesla PSU series and Fractal Design, including a link to their website. Underneath the picture we can see that it tells us the dimensions of the actual power supply and the AC and DC output, which is quite nice to have on the actual packaging. Straight away though, we can see that the packaging is covered with this plastic sort of ceramic packaging, so it is a matter of getting a knife or a pair of scissors and just sort of cutting into this. Once you cut into it, you can proceed to actually peel the packaging off. Once you've done that, you can see that there is a handle on here, which I'm not really sure if a handle is needed, because obviously you can't use the handle if you're actually buying this product and you see it in the shop, because it's going to have this plastic wrapping around it. But I guess if you need to transport the power supply after you've actually bought it, then it might come in handy to have this handle on there. To open it up, you can see that it's got this pull tab there. Just pull that, open up this, and we can continue to open up the box. First thing on top is the Fractal Design Tesla 650 watt power supply user's manual. So many different languages: English, French, German, Italian, Spanish and Svenska. So it gives you all the various different bits of information that you need in regards to a power supply, including the features, installation and so forth. You can see that we have what looks like some sort of Velcro cable ties, always quite handy. A power adapter, which is with an American style plug. We do get a lot of products that have got American style plugs on there. It's just a matter of getting one of the tourist adapters, that sort of thing. And then we can see that we've got the actual power supply itself, which comes in this Fractal Design bag, and all the connections already sort of cable tied and everything on there. So taking it out of the bag, it's got like a sort of drawstring on it. We can then continue to take the power supply out of the bag. And we can see the power supply itself with the fan. Quite simple really, but overall quite stylish. Be sure to check out etechnics.com very soon, where I will have a full review on this particular power supply.